it's your girl Grwm. I'm here back with another video. Period. Let me hear people just interrupt my mom and be like, girl, what is you doing? But I'm in here looking for a dress. Mom said we need to come in here, go in and come out. If I don't see nothing, I need to hurry up because I have a lot of stuff to do. So hold on, let me turn back on. I gotta be looking while I'm doing this. But yeah, as I can tell by this title, y'all be getting ready with me for homecoming. I'm in here trying to find a dress now. So I need to look. I need to go ahead and look. Yeah, make sure y'all like, come subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know every time the big dog posts another video. And if you like this video, just keep watching my other ones. I really do appreciate y'all. Everybody looking at me. Okay, now let me look, y'all. Mama. But I'm not. I found a dress, but I'm gonna try it on and see how I look. I'm gonna let y'all debate with me to see do I want to buy it or not. Hopefully the dress is open, because if it's not, I don't want to buy no dress and I don't know how it fit on me, because I'm coming tomorrow. I'm doing everything last minute. So can we just go in? I'm trying to Thank you. Somebody in there. I'm gonna try this. Oh, it just looking cute. I'm gonna go in here, y'all. I'm excited. Y'all, why am I excited to try on the dress? They showing the team. And y'all, I just got back from school. I just ended my hold on. I just ended one of my vlogs, y'all. I ended my 2-day vlog with the pet rally kit body and did that one. I'm like the dress. I want it like a little tighter, like my hair gonna be deep. I don't know. It's cute though. Should I get it? Like it's cute. I mean, like, yeah. Wait. Can you come in? Can you come in? Huh? Yes, ma'am.
With that one, you probably gotta work for somewhere around here.
Okay. I got my clothes back on. I like this dress, but I'll probably like get this like another time, because like the other dress is giving homecoming. This dress is giving like day night. It's not giving homecoming. It's giving like day night. Excuse me. But I like the other dress. So I'm gonna go looking a little bit more in here. And then, yeah, my 3 more dresses. One is the same thing, but it's a smaller size. Oh, that's cute. That's for me?
For you to keep. It's
for
mine.
me?
Yeah, the
oh,
thing. You can wear it like this, or you can have it across you.
Oh, I'm finna eat the girls. Oh, that would go cute with that tan dress. I'm finna eat. Y'all, I'm finna
eat. Keep that thing away from me.
I'm finna eat, because that dress is so pretty.
Honestly, I mean, I think it's ugly.
That of course. That bag is so pretty, right? Honestly, I think it's ugly. I'm gonna eat. Take 2. I'm gonna turn on this. I'm gonna stay on the dress before I try it on home. Let me lock the door. So I got green dress. And I got this blue dress. I'm gonna see. I know blue my favorite color, so I'm gonna see. Dress shopping over with. I'm gonna go with the tan one. I kind of already knew I was gonna go with the tan one before I even tried the other dresses on. Oh, they look pretty. I kind of already knew. Once I seen that bag, what clicked in the back of my hand was tan. And y'all, when I tell y'all, the dress was fit perfect. It's an extra small. That tan one fitted perfect. I'm talking about body. I'm talking about snuggie.
Do you have to get it from the chair already? Slow her down. We'll come with you.
I'm talking about that dress for the heat. I love that dress. It's so pretty.
Alright, so you want to try to find some shoes in here? Or you want to go for somewhere?
These shoes will wear perfect with the dress and the bag, but they're 6.5 and I'm a 9. So still looking up. What?
I don't see the high shoes. You look crazy.
Where?
But they flappers.
Oh my god. Just though. My toes gonna crank up. Oh, they the perfect color too.
Try it on. I can put a silver strap across there.
I ain't not missing no shoe now. Hold on, let me try on these shoes, y'all. One more want me to get them heels, but not these, but I'm just looking. But them heels ugly. I mean, yeah, them heels, they're not cute to me. I don't see no cute heels. Them heels is not cute to me though, but it matched the dress perfectly, so. She say it's still in the look, but.
You don't want to see that matches.
See? Okay, we can get them. We'll do. I don't got nothing else I can keep them on. I ain't got no. I got everything if y'all want to know. Ooh, from TJ Maxx. Ooh. And this dress is so pretty. I'm finna talk up. Did I tell y'all homecoming? This dress is a real cute dress, especially since I got it last minute. Homecoming. Not homecoming. I mean, yeah, homecoming tomorrow, so I probably said that a million times. But it is. This beauty supply so fancy. I ain't never been in no fancy beauty supply store. I don't know nothing about this, baby. This shit is fancy. I need some lip gloss too, and I need some lashes, lip gloss, foundation, ball cap, wax stick. Look for what I need, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Hold on, let me get a lip gloss. Let me get a buggy first. I'm gonna record in a minute because I don't want my mama to say anything. Because she don't like when I'm on my phone when I'm shopping, so I can hurry up. So yeah, I'm gonna record, but I got everything I need, I think.
That's it?
Later.
Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I'm installing my wig for homecoming. First, gotta cut the ball cap, of course. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I definitely struggled with installing these wigs, so just to let y'all know, this wasn't no easy process. Not finna lie to y'all. But I'm just spraying, got to be sprayed so free. Y'all, I ain't had no blow dryer doing this. It's giving very much ghetto and chaotic, but it's okay. It's okay. Spray, rub. And then I put foundation on. Y'all can tell I'm already struggling. Baby, look at that ball cap, baby. Baby, why your edges is out? This why y'all motherfuckers be bald headed. Never mind. Just keep going. Y'all see the look. That's embarrassing. But I'm putting on the first layer of glue. I put on 2 layers. I think I was put more than that, but I only did 2 because I ain't had no blow dryer, so the process was going to be very slow. But y'all trust the process. Please trust the process. Well, don't put all your trust in the process, but y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all picking up what I'm putting down. In this clip, I was putting the wig down, but I was so close to the mirror, y'all couldn't see. I got the wig on right now. I got the elastic band on. This thing's gonna hurt my head, though. I ain't gonna lie. Right now, I got the elastic band on to secure the lace. I hope it turns out cute, because if it don't, I'm gonna be really mad. But I need to look at that. I don't know. But I'm really excited for homecoming. Oh, y'all, look at the back. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm really excited for homecoming tomorrow. And yeah, I hope this come out cute, because I do not want to wear a band over my head with my dress. Like, that's just gonna throw off the whole look, not even gonna lie. As y'all can see, I'm in a whole new location. I'm not in the bathroom no more because, ooh, look at the reaction. Y'all, I was too happy about that little lace, baby. I can't even clip the essence. Y'all see that? I can't even clip this.
Alright, wait. Go back on time, it's okay. You pray for my demons, girl, I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get bumped. Annoying the sound of the storm when it comes. You understand, I can't take it everywhere, nigga, for me. I can make it feel like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Can't mad at yourself, cause you ain't leaving alone. Gossip and message, blame when we come.
Hey y'all, it's the next day. I just woke up. I just put my hair in some twists. Twists about falling out now. I still have my elastic band on. And y'all, I'm finna try to see can I get my hair. Like the dance, okay. The dance is not until 7 o'clock tonight, and it's 9 o'clock now, or 8, one of them. But I want my hair to go ahead and be like cute, and then I just last minute touch ups. I don't want to be still. You know, but see, y'all said y'all know since we moved, I don't really know where nothing at. and I just found a razor. Like, I'm like, when I say I'm so happy I just found this razor, I was just looking through stuff and I found it. I wasn't even looking for a razor, but I found a razor. Right here, I'm plucking the wig. When I say I plucked this wig for like 15-20 minutes. And I'm making do what it do, baby. And you put it down. I still want it. Play your cards right. Maybe you can fall in love. I'm gonna put it down. We're gonna find love. Let me start. Y'all, it's the towel for me. It's the lace for me. Let me look up real close to the lace. Teach me how to duck you. Teach me. Y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all, I don't call my best friend. I call my sister. They all getting ready. It's 5 o'clock, by the way. I'm finna go eat some girls up and this whole and dance. But I'm finna get ready now. I'm finna get in the shower and stuff, you know.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do it again. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you in it 'cause you know I like it. Breaking up a day for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it. Wanna hug you, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it. Bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. In it 'cause you know I like it. Making up a date for you, bite it. This type shit have you drip, 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 drip. Last minute trips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you wildin'. Drip, 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 drip. Last minute trips to the island. Drip, 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 drip. This type shit have you wildin'. Don't hesitate, 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 hesitate. Like it when you don't hesitate.
My mama just did my lashes. Don't mind the air conditioning, that's embarrassing. But get us to the eyes, boo. Yeah. Play with your mama, not me. Okay, and now what I'm finna do is I'm finna get this hair looking good. Yeah. Y'all look, my wig, my band. I was trying to figure, I was like, it's looking. My band done slid down before me. Way sliding down before me. Like, girl, stay up there. Oh. I'm trying to glue it down my forehead, then glue down my edges. I mean, my edges, my lace band. But I need my lace band glued down, not my forehead with a dent in it, baby. Okay, y'all. How do I look? I should have got some press off from the stove. Yeah, I still think I look really good, to be honest. I can't wait for my dress on me every day.
It's that bad walk through, bad bitches walk through. Spit your last on me.
Yeah, I'm gonna be standing on you. Look, let them see.